how to edit and change your last name on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit that easy and quick. First open VK, and now once you're here, click on your profile in the top corner, and then click the 3 points here, and now click edit profile, and then scroll all the way down until you find personal info. Click on it, and as you see here you will find last name. Click on it, now change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.